Guys, this is Samsung front loaded washing machine. In this washing machine, if the drainage is blocked, and to check out, first you need to check this cover over here. You can just use screwdriver, flat screwdriver to remove the cover. Here we go, and you can take out this, screw it, unscrew it. Little water came out. Make sure you can see a lot of this over here. Clean it off. As you can see, medium. Clean off this. If there is water is inside, then all the water will came up. So the little hose here. I think this hose is to drain the water inside manually, and let's clean this off. And so I cleaned it and placing back in, rotate it, tight it, and you can also took this cover from here. So I'm going to placing it back, as you can see. Now make sure it tight, snap in. That's all. Okay.